Hello everyone, you are watching Tino Bless channel. Welcome to another quick tutorial. And in this video, we are going to fix sound not working or low sound problem in Realme Narzo 20, Narzo 20 Pro or Narzo 20A. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to fix sound problem on Narzo 20, Narzo 20A or Narzo 20 Pro, first of all, just go to settings, application and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.